They can devour. Good gosh!
Aiden, watch it, Bubba.
You need to get this side of his mouth, look.
You should put this on YouTube and say, dogs trying to eat peanut butter.
Balance it out, balance it out.
I grabbed all that off his jaw.
Oh, gosh.
Marley! You don't care if it tastes like Hayden's slobber, do you?
She's like, no.
Aiden bowed his head in shame.
That's he's trying to throw it in his mouth. Look, she wipes her shoulder and then she goes back when it's supposed to spring.
Smart move.
That's how she cleans her jaw. She don't fling it back in her mouth like he does.
No, better dirty fur than dirty mouth.
Get his teeth.
Look at that, Aiden. Look at it.
Hayden! Look at
Oh, those poor dogs.
See, he just slung some in his mouth.
Yeah, I saw it disappear.
Marley's like, hey, I'm still here.
Now she's doing it.
I need to grab that off his jaw. Did he get it already?
No, he hasn't.
Oh, look at Marley.
Excuse me. Oh my God.
He wiped it on his shoulder. He wiped it on his shoulder.
You're gonna let that spin away, right?
No, she's gonna wash it, Emily.
I think Marley just burped.
Peanut butter won't make you barf. Look at the two of them.
Look, Elsa's trying to Hayden's teeth.
Hayden, look over here, Bubba. Look over here.
Hayden!
Over here.
I think it's gone now.
Hayden!
Ah! It got on my fingers! I'm contaminated! Evil dog! Evil dog! Wipe it on the shoulder.
No, I ate it anyway.
Hayden, just think, cabbage!
Oh, how
Grub, 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 grub. Oh, wow, Marley, calm down.
Marley! Hayden said, damn it, I want that now. If she gets something I ain't, I want it. See, she done changed, look.
She's changed tactics.
Look at her shoulder.
Yeah, it's starting to get clean. Hayden's starting to lick himself, too.
Look the shoulder, look the shoulder.
He's licking it, he's licking it.
Is he gonna get off?
Yeah, he's getting it off. For better or for worse.
She got that one spot right there.
She's swapping it off. And now she's licking it off. Good girl. Aiden, watch it. Watch it. Get it, get it.
There's a dab left, let me have it.
He's probably gonna end up biting his face.
I found that,
Sink.